Setting up your products in Market Power Pro is a three-step process. Define a category for the product, create a product, add a product SKU. Log into your Market Power Pro system and select Product Categories under the Product Management menu. Click Add Product Category. Enter a suitable name and description for this category. You may also upload an image to be displayed in the product catalogue. It is important to note that the image must be exactly 200 by 270 pixels in size. Select Choose a File and locate your image. Then click to Upload to attach the image to your category. Click Save and Close to create the new category. Your new category will now be displayed in the category structure. Open your new category by clicking the Edit icon. We have to apply some settings now. By default, new categories are automatically set to only be visible to administrators. This allows you to create a category and fill it out with appropriate products before it is visible to your distributors and customers. When you're ready to make the category and its associated products publicly available, select the Permissions tab and set the correct access rights. Set permissions to administrator if you wish to keep the category and its products hidden from distributors and customers. Set permission to distributor when you wish to display the product in this category to your logged-in distributors. Only individuals with this access level or higher will see the category. For example, this may be a business builders tools category. Set permissions to customer for products available to returning logged-in customers. And finally, anonymous permission makes the product in this category available to everyone visiting the site. This setting will allow individuals that visit your site to view items without requiring them to have a customer account. All security levels higher than your chosen setting will be automatically enabled. When you have set the appropriate permissions, click Save and Close to return to the Product Categories page. The Product Categories page allows you to arrange and edit your categories. Categories can be easily moved by dragging and dropping them to a new location. The Add, Edit and Delete buttons for the category allow you to make changes to your category settings. Creating a category provided a place for you to add your products. Now select Products under the Product Management menu. Your existing products will be displayed. Click Add Product to open the new product page. Notice at the top of the panel there is only one tab, Primary Product Information. After you have saved the new product, a number of tabs will be added and it will be necessary for you to enter some details to these new tabs when they are available. Enter a product code. Define a coding methodology that suits your needs. Enter a product name. This name will appear in the shop. If you have incorporated the vendor management system, select the appropriate vendor. Many Market Power Pro users do not use this option. If you don't, leave it as not selected. From the drop-down list, set the product type. If the product is digital, a video seminar or a PDF manual for example, select electronic media. Most Market Power Pro users offer a physical product that will be shipped, in which case select Physical Product to activate the Product Unit option. If you have set up subtypes, select it from the next drop-down list. Again, most companies do not need to set up complex subcategories and just leave it set to commodity to identify a product. If you are using branding, for example you sell watches and wish to assign this product as a Rolex watch, select Rolex from the brand drop-down. It will be necessary for you to set up your branding elsewhere first. Set the product unit drop-down to unit. This will allow proper integration with shipping providers such as UPS and FedEx. If you are collecting sales tax from your customers, set the checkbox beside each tax category that applies to your company. Again, you may add additional tax categories elsewhere in the system. The short description is a summary of the product description and appears beneath the product image in the shop. Select the Long Description tab to open a WYSIWYG, What You See Is What You Get editor that will allow you to craft a detailed description featuring images, video, and other fancy text. Under default settings, set Display in Shop if you are ready to display this product to your customers. Available for auto ship will allow you to set up recurring automatic orders for this product. Click Apply to create your new product. For now, ignore the annoying pop-up messages and click OK when they appear. When the screen refreshes, go to the top of the page and you will notice a number of new tabs have been added. Select the Categories tab and set the checkbox beside any categories that you wish to apply to this product. Select the Images tab if you wish to upload a product image. There are two images, thumbnail and main image. You must have images exactly the size specified on this page. Click Choose a file and upload your thumbnail. Repeat for the main image. Then click to upload your images. You must select both images, then upload them, otherwise you will remove the previous image. If you have a video for your product, you may add the URL for it and have it displayed as part of your product's information. The final step is creating a stock keeping unit or SKU. Click the SKUs tab, then click Add SKU to display the SKU creation screen. Enter a unique SKU ID and SKU name. You may adjust the add date if you require proper SKU management. For example, perishable goods can take advantage of proper stock rotation. Set the sale price. This is the price that will be paid by a customer or anonymous visitor. Set the suggested retail price. This is optionally displayed in the shop to reflect that your price is a great deal. Set the wholesale price. This is the price that will be paid by a logged-in distributor. The price displayed in the shop will depend on whether the visitor is logged in as a distributor or as a customer. Distributors see and pay wholesale. Customers see and pay the sales price. You may also specify a different price for the same product when purchased as a recurring auto-ship order. This makes agreeing to a regular order a tempting reward for your members and customers. You may set distributor and customer auto-ship pricing. Taxable amount percentage allows you to specify how much of the purchase price tax will be charged on. Normally this is 100%, but you may have a unique circumstance where this may be different. Set a packaging and handling price if you are not using shipping charge methods or are connecting to a shipping provider like UPS. If you are using the loyalty rewards module, these options will be enabled, allowing you to define the rewards values. Finally, depending on your compensation plan settings, commissionable value fields are displayed. Enter the appropriate commissionable value for this SKU. Commissions are calculated off of these values. Various other settings may not be appropriate for your plan and may be left blank. However, ensure that displaying shopping cart is selected if you wish to allow visitors to view and purchase this SKU. Also ensure that Add to Cart is checked. Otherwise, visitors will be able to see the SKU but not actually add it to their cart for purchase. If the product is an auto-ship product, set the auto-ship checkbox. One last point of interest is the SKU filter options. Set to everyone by default, you may restrict purchase of this SKU to certain groups of visitors. For example, if this is a distributor business kit, you may wish to set it to distributor only. Click Apply to save the new SKU. Again, when you save the SKU, a selection of tabs are added to the top of the page. The Inventory tab allows you to define minimum order quantities, out-of-stock actions, and assign the SKU to certain warehouses if you are using this functionality. The Packaging tab allows definition of the product's gross weight and dimensions. If you are interfacing with a carrier such as UPS or FedEx, these details will be passed to the shipper, allowing them to return real-time shipping charges. The Auto Ship tab allows you to define auto ship rules and conditions, such as setting availability and appearance, as well as frequencies and other options. This overview covers the basics of adding a product to your shop. As you may have noticed, there are many additional options available that you may or may not wish to leverage depending on your circumstances. Feel free to explore and reach out to one of our trainers for a personal session to help you tailor Market Power Pro's products to your unique needs. If this product is intended for use as an enrollment option, a membership kit or samples package for example, you may continue and set up the product under Plans, Enrollment Options.